In the place, in your face. You know who it is. It's your boy. That boy can cook. Everything you need for that delicious dog is right here. I got 2 beef smoked sausage links. I got 2 pretzel buns. I got that good old bacon jam. And I got 4 slices of Gouda cheese. Now let's make this happen. All right, first let's get our sausage split. And you don't want to cut them all the way through, just halfway, where you can open them up like that. Bow. Let's get this other one cut. Just like that. All righty, get these boys in the pan. All right, we got our smoked sausage going. So let's check them, make sure. I like mine kind of dark. That's not dark enough for me. So we're gonna let these cook a little bit longer. All right, as you can see, our sausage is sausaging. So let's turn it over. Yeah, there we go, right there. That's what I like. All right, gonna turn them sausage over like that. Take some of your bacon jam, if it's cold. If you already got it heated up, then you don't need to do this. So let's just get this in now. There you go. That bacon jam in there with it. Let's just get it all heated up and broken down. Move these out of the way for right now. You still want to leave them in there though. There we go. Yes, yes. All right. Now this is what we're gonna do it. This is how we're gonna do it. That bacon jam on there like that. Some more of that on there. Hit that other one. Just like that. We're gonna turn our heat off. You don't want to set your smoke detectors off. Look at that. There we go. All right. It's just that simple, y'all. Now let's get some cheese. That good old Gouda. Lay it like as such. Wow. Then we just gonna set this to the side so we can toast our hamburger buns. I mean our pretzel buns, forgive me. All right, we have our bacon sausage sitting over there relaxing, chilling, gathering up flavor. So we're just gonna take our pretzel rolls and we're gonna warm them up. That's all we're gonna do. We're not gonna warm the insides of them up. We're just gonna warm the outsides. So let's get these warmed up. And I'll show you what I mean. All right, I got my buns warmed. So let's just set them up like this here. Get them open without breaking them. Let's get some more of this cheese in here. Just lay that at the bottom. Let's put this on there. Got another one over here. Now let's get them dogs on. All right, let's get our dogs on here. Well, smoked sausage dogs, whatever we want to call them. That there. And one more step after this, we're gonna throw this under the broiler just to get that cheese melted. And we're gonna come back and see what we got. Right, our dogs are ready. Check that out. Check that out. Yeah. As always, if you like this video, if you found it interesting, please like, comment, subscribe, even share it with your people. I got plenty more where this come from. That boy can cook. Out the place, out your face. Till the next time. Yeah. Smoked sausage with bacon jam on pretzel bun.